In this video, I want to show you all how to use REPL in order to basically learn to program. If you use this tool, I can help you with programs, you can send me feedback, and I can see how you're doing. First thing, you'll need to join the class using the link on Show My Homework, and after that, you'll be presented with a screen like this. Now, what you need to do is click right up here once you're on and choose Student, and that'll take you to our class. After selecting the student link, you'll be presented with the class that you're in, that you've joined. Simply select it. You can choose these little dots to have leave the class. Please don't leave the class. Or simply click on the class to enter it. At which point you'll see all these assignments. Now, it's a good idea to start with assignment 1 and work your way through, starting with inputs, then going on to numbers. We'll click into this assignment. I've already completed this one, but I'd just like to take you through some of the common mistakes people make. So I'm just going to take this back and I'm going to delete this. And this is the screen you'll see. And there's a bunch of options. Here, this screen is the editor where you can write code. Down here, this screen is the shell. Just like Thonny, this is where code will execute and run so you can see what's happening. On this side is the instructions. Write a program that takes 3 numbers and prints their sum. Every number is given on a separate line. It gives you an example input and what the program should output. If you're struggling to do the program or understand the code in front of you right here, all you need to do is follow this link. I can do that by highlighting it, right-clicking it, and saying go to the address in a new tab. And then this can guide you through that lesson to help you work through it, run, or click step by step to take you through it slowly. Let's see if we can solve this together. Write a program that takes 3 numbers and prints their sum. Well, we can see here that we've got 2 already. So I'm going to do C equals int input. Now, because you're actually pretty good programmers, you're probably going to do something like this. It says missing the capital. Enter a number. It's great. In fact, most of you will do really good inputs. You'll do something like this. And then you'll go, okay, I've just got to add those together. I think I'm done. You'll run it. Enter a number. I'm going to follow the example they've given over here. 2, 3, 6. And my example expected output should be 11. Enter again. Seems to be working absolutely fine. At this point, you will want to submit your work to me, so I can check it, mark it, and give you feedback. You click submit and it'll run a few tests to see if you've done the right solution. No, we failed those tests. You have 2 options here. If you can't see anything wrong, you can submit it anyway. I'll give you feedback, check it off, or send it back to you. Or you can click what's wrong to see what tests it's failed. I'm going to see what's wrong. It's expecting to see 11, but what it's been presented with is enter a number, enter a number, enter a number 11. Basically, because you know how to ask questions with your inputs, it thinks we're wrong. This is designed for people who are just starting, and you are better than that. So let's adapt our program. Go, okay, submit it with me anyway, we'll keep trying. If you want it to pass the tests, you can simply delete those parts. So it doesn't output enter a number. Run it again. There is no question this time, so we just enter the numbers 2. It's done line 2. 3. It executes line 3. And we'll type in 6 and it'll execute line 4 and print line 5. You can also, playing with the tools up here, just run the tests on it. And now it seems to be passing all tests for the program. There's a debugger. You can reset it if it goes really wrong. But this time when I click submit, it passed the test and I can submit that assignment. Once you've completed the assignment, you can actually see a model solution. Just to see what an example program that works looks like. And you can go back to the classroom and work through these things. If you get stuck on one, you don't have to do them in order. You can complete them in any order you wish. But I suggest you try to do them one at a time. And any you get stuck on, ask me for feedback. Any other issues, just get in touch. Goodbye.